Imagine a world where your payment processing isn't confined to a single spot. A world where you can take the magic of Clover Station to any corner of your store. Well, dream no more. The Clover Mini, that sleek and portable powerhouse, pairs perfectly with your Clover Station to unlock a whole new level of payment processing flexibility. But how exactly do you unleash this dynamic duo? Don't worry, because in this video, we'll guide you through the simple process of connecting your Clover Mini to your station, step by step. Now, before we dive in, let's talk about why you might want to do this. Maybe you have a bustling coffee shop with a long line that snakes around the corner. A Clover Mini at the front can keep things moving while your main station handles the bulk of the orders. Perhaps you run a clothing boutique with multiple fitting rooms. A Mini lets you take payments right where they happen, eliminating the need for customers to juggle armfuls of clothes across the store. The possibilities are truly endless, and the connection process is surprisingly straightforward. So, grab your Clover Mini, your station, and a cup of your favorite beverage, because trust us, this will be a breeze. And let's get started. Step 1, power up. First things first, make sure both your Clover Mini and station are powered on and booted up. You don't want to get halfway through the connection process only to realize one of them is snoozing. Step 2, the magical cable connection. This is where things get exciting. Remember that white USB-A to USB-B cable that came with your Clover Mini? Dust it off because it's about to become your connection hero. Take the USB-A end and plug it into any free USB port on the base of your Clover Station, typically located next to the receipt printer. Now, for the Clover Mini, find the second port from the left on its connection hub. This is its designated handshake spot. Gently but firmly, insert the USB-B end of the cable into this port. Step 3. Witness the connection. Congratulations! You've just physically connected your Clover Mini and station. Now, let's see if the magic translates to the digital realm. On your Clover Mini, keep an eye out for a notification indicating a new connection. It might take a few seconds, but once it pops up, you're golden. Step 4. App time. Here's where things get even more interesting. To unlock the full potential of your connected Clover Mini, you'll need to install a special app, the USB Pay Display app. Head over to the Clover App Market on your Mini and search for USB. The app should be the first result. Download and install it, and you're almost there. Step 5. Fine-tuning, optional. Depending on your specific setup, you might need to adjust some settings within the Clover Station. This ensures everything works seamlessly. We recommend checking your Clover documentation or contacting Clover support for any specific configuration steps related to your business needs. That's it. You've successfully connected your Clover Mini to your station. Now you can take payments anywhere within the range of the station's Wi-Fi network. Remember, the Mini acts as an extension of your station, so all your existing Clover functionalities and settings are readily available on the Mini. With this dynamic duo at your disposal, you can streamline your checkout process, enhance customer experience, and boost your overall business efficiency. So, unleash the power of your Clover Mini and station combo. Take payments wherever your customers are, and watch your business thrive. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.